Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we are going to discuss a very crucial topic for any web developer or a business owner. Importance of responsive websites. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on notification icon to get updates of my new videos. Take lots of notes because we are going to discuss every point which is related with responsive websites, and watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, we are discussing a lot of things about websites, their development and designing. In this session we are going to talk about importance of responsive websites, and this is very important part for any web developer, as well as it is very important for any business owner who is having own websites, and every website should be responsive, and why we need to have responsive websites, that we are going to understand in this session. So without wasting a time, let us jump into mind map where I am going to explain importance of responsive websites. Okay, here is a mind map where we are going to talk about 4 different points to understand the importance of responsive website. The first we need to understand the concept of responsive website. Unless we know what is responsive websites, how to make it and why to make it, that will be important. And therefore, in the first point, I am going to clear what exactly I mean the responsive website. The second is why we need to have those websites, benefits of having responsive websites. Those points we are going to discuss. Then I will discuss one example how exactly responsive website behaves and how to understand whether the site is responsive or not. So I will give the example of a website which is responsive, and finally we are going to discuss about the implementation way, how to implement or how to convert your website as a responsive website, what are the elements that we need to understand. So let us discuss one by one. First thing first, so let us see what exactly responsive website is. Now responsive website is a website that adjusts its layout on the basis of screen size. Now you can see lot of different screen sizes are available. Nowadays different devices are available in the market. We are watching websites on mobile, small screen, to the large television screens, monitors. And if you are opening your website on different screen sizes, we need to ensure the website looks properly without having any problem in its functionality. Website must create its effect even on a large screen and must give also effect on a small screen. Nowadays, lot of views are coming from mobile devices because it is very easy to use, handy device. Everyone has in his pocket. So most of the time users are watching websites on mobile phone, and therefore it's our responsibility to ensure the exact feel and functionality of your website should be available on mobile as well as on large screens. Normally in offices, websites are used on desktop monitors, and personally when everyone is watching website, they are watching the websites on mobile phone, and therefore it's our responsibility to provide same feel in both the cases. But the images, the layout, the functionality may vary device to device, and we have to ensure it will work effectively and it will also attract users attention wherever it is required. So this is what the concept of responsive website. Now let's jump into the second point. What are other benefits of using a responsive website? So here I am going to explore 5 different benefits. Those are there for every responsive website. So here you can see the point number 1 is enhanced user experience. Now even if user is opening the website on a small screen, on a mobile or a desktop or a large monitor, you are ensuring the feel of user. You are using different techniques, CSS, so that your images are displayed, or even you can display different images on different screen sizes. Now this is possible with the help of some CSS, and user will get the better experience everywhere. So the enhanced user experience is the number one benefit. The second one, improved SEO. Search engine optimization is very important. If your website is available easily whenever it is searched for its content. So whenever someone is searching for your website or whatever content you are putting on a website, if it is easily available, then it is better. So if you are using a responsive website, it is always beneficial to users because of its SEO. We can implement a lot of SEO techniques and tools that I am going to share in my private classes, how to use SEO techniques with responsive websites frameworks. Another one is increased mobile traffic. Now you can see a lot of people are visiting websites through mobile, and it's very convenient and easy to use. That's why people are watching websites on mobile devices where the screen sizes varies. Okay, some mobiles are having good larger size of screens. Some mobiles are having different kinds of orientation. You can have mobiles which are having flipped screens where two different screen sets are available. In that case, you have to ensure your UI, your design of website should be displayed properly and it should attract people without losing its proper functionality. Now, increased mobile traffic, that is another benefit. The cost effectiveness. Now, it is very difficult to handle and maintain different websites for different screen sizes. It's not possible nowadays. And from business point of view, we need to minimize the cost. We need to have a single website, but it will have different style sheets so that it will have different kinds of behavior on different screen sizes and different device orientation. So cost effectiveness is one more benefit. And the last one is a faster loading time. Now, because of the proper responsive website architecture, the website gets loaded immediately, which improves user experience. As website is opening immediately, user can immediately scroll down and find out exactly what he is searching for. Because of these five benefits, it is very important to have a responsive website. If you are having a responsive website, you will get all those 5 points. And not only that, it is now a trend in IT industry that you should have a responsive website. There is one concept called as a landing page. Now, people are having experience of scrolling down the page, and whatever information is expected for a particular product or a service, it should be there on a single page, and it should be arranged in a such way that it will be easily catching the user attention. And not only it is catching attention, it is providing the exact and crisp information to the user. And that's the importance of and or a beauty of landing page. For every product you can have different landing pages and you can show your information more effectively. User will get attracted with its proper functionality, and you can even sell more. The most important benefit of having a website, if you are selling something through your website, then it's a business website. It's not only to give the information, but at the end, you must encash, you must get a new customer through your website. And that's the beauty of landing page. You can arrange a landing page in a such way that at the end of your web page or a landing page, viewer will get converted in your customer. It is also called as funnel, and a lot of things are there. So after clicking on one button, you are collecting in user information. Then you are also having a different kinds of engagement through emails or through messages, and you can finally convert that person to your customer. But see, the first step of every funnel is your website. Even when you are running ad campaigns, okay, you are running Facebook ads, you are running any other social media ads, what you are doing, you are bringing a customer to your website. And if your website is not working properly on a particular device, then you are losing everything. Even if you are spending a lot of money on your ads, and if you don't have a proper website, you will lose a customer. And therefore, having a responsive website is very important. Now let's see one example of responsive website. Now here I am going to show my own website where I am displaying the information. Okay, now this is a website of Microsoft Education. Now you can see the website. Now this is desktop version of this website. Now if you see, this is working properly on a desktop machine. Now how to check whether the website is responsive or not? Now here dynamically you can see the change in website. Let me reduce the size of screen. Now here I am changing the screen size of browser. Now see, now I am just reducing the width of browser. Okay, now even though I am scrolling and reducing the size of browser, it is working fine. Now you can see the size of videos and images which is adjusted automatically. Even if it is a media, its size is adjusted automatically. Okay, content is also adjusted automatically. Now similar kind of feel you can get on tabs. Now if you are reducing it more, okay, now you can see the text gets adjusted automatically, and now it is working again fine. Okay, let me reduce again so that it will be similar to a larger mobile handset. Now you can see here, now this will be the look on a large width mobile handset. See, now even if I am reducing it to the smallest part, okay, now this will be the this kind of view you will get on a smaller screen size mobile app. Now same website is rearranged and scaled according to the screen size. Now even if you are using different kinds of processors and depending on the internet speed, all those things, responsive websites are always better to use for improved speed of loading. Now here here you can see responsive website works on every screen size. Not only dynamically it adjusts its scaling, its image size, logo size. Here you can see the size of logo. Now if I am increasing the width, the size of logo is also changed. So images are also scaled according to the requirement. And one more image you can see here in the bottom. Now this is the size of image. If I am increasing the size, and now you can see this image, this is adjusted like this. So everywhere, even though you are changing the screen size, your website will work properly. Now let's move to the last point to see how to implement or how to convert your website in a responsive website. Now a lot of different tools and techniques are available. If you are using a framework like Bootstrap, or if you are using WordPress, by default you will be having a responsive website, and now it's a new trend. Every website in future will be the responsive website. That's true. Now here I am going to just give the basic things how to implement responsive website. So here I am going to talk about three things. Number one, you need to use a fluid grid layout. Now what is fluid grid layout? It is a layout in which you are having different grids, and in each grid you are putting the content, and it allows element on your size. It allows to resize the elements according to the size of screen. So if you are changing the screen size, image will get scaled automatically on the basis of available size. Now this is possible with the help of fluid grid. Now fluid means the grids, number of grids are changing. Okay, so in Bootstrap also, if you can see, there are different grids, squares, container space is available, and as the screen size gets smaller, these containers are placed at different locations without changing. You can have different kind of feel. So website design will get changed, but functionality will remain same. Now this is possible with the help of fluid grid layout. The second thing is you can use flexible images and media. Or as you have seen in example, the size of video or size of image also gets scaled according to the available space. Now it ensures your images and video scales correctly within their containing elements. So every image is added in a particular container, and the containing space, or you can say the containing element, will adjust its size. One more thing, and now how to achieve this? Now here you can use lot of different CSS. So by using customized style sheets, you can apply different styles based on device characters such as width, height, or orientation, and accordingly you can have different kinds of fields. Now here I am not going to discuss about technical things, how to code it, or how to use different kinds of plugins, or how to use different frameworks like Bootstrap or WordPress and get the things done. Here I'm just giving the three basic things. Number one, you need to use fluid grid layout by using any technique. You need to use flexible images and media, and you need to implement some CSS so that the design will remain intact and the functionality will be of your website will be as per expectation. So this is about importance of responsive websites. I hope this information is useful for you. If you like this information, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and leave your comment below this video so that I will get motivation. Also, you can give your input on what topics you want more videos so that I will make those videos and provide you. Remember, responsive websites is not just a trend, but it's a today's digital world. You can start making your websites responsive and you can see the effect of your website will be more impactful. If you want to learn website development and digital marketing, you can join my community. Within a 90 days, you can start earning your money even though you don't have any knowledge of designing and coding. You can join my community. The link is given here and you can start earning within 90 days. It's a guarantee. In my community, I'm sharing a lot of information, videos, notes, live calls, Zoom calls, recorded sessions, everything you will get. And I'm going to give each and everything precisely. Crisp and clear information will be given. I'm also running an hackathon for my community members where I am giving a live demonstration of developing a website, getting new orders, not only development, but I'm also helping them to how to get a job, how to create your profile on different platforms, how to get your first client, and how you can grow your business of web development and digital marketing. If you are interested, you can join my community. Just hit on the link given below and you can join my community. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to everyone. I will be happy to welcome you in my community. Thank you once again. Let's see you in a next video.